In this video, we're going to diagnose and hopefully fix a misfiring Alloytec V6. So first we're going to take off these plastic covers and get to the coils and see what we can find. So I'm going to start the car up. It's running very rough and we'll disconnect a coil at a time and see which one we think is bad. Doesn't appear to be 1 to 3, so we'll try 4 to 6. We might have something. Alright, so it appears that our number 5 coil pack has said bye-bye and it's time to replace it. So, until I get another one, I have to have another quick look. I don't know whether the manifold's going to come off to get that out, probably, but we'll have another look and we'll get another coil and we'll stick it in, see how we go. So this is how you unplug the wire from the coil pack. So what you want to do is, I prefer a screwdriver because it can be a bit tight, so you want to push these in that way until it clicks that way, and then I just get my screwdriver in and pop it out the other way. Don't want to get my hands in front of the camera, but once it comes out that way, it should just pull off like that. And then to put back on, push it on, and then you push the other side and it'll snap back in like that. Easy as pie. Well, it looks like I've got lucky in regards to not having to remove the manifold. So we've unplugged the coil, and this connector that goes into this stupid thing, which I can't get that wire out, but I think I can maneuver the coil out without too much drama. So I've just disconnected a pipe from that, unclipped this one, which plugs down the back in there, and all we need is, I think, is a 10mm bolt on the top of the coil, and we'll get the damn thing out. And just like that, we have a coil out. Now we'll go get a new one and we'll pop it back in. Okay guys, back again. I've got my new coil. Let's put it in and see if that was a problem. Okay, that's back in. Before we put the cover back on, we'll start it up and see how we go. Fingers crossed. Looks to have done the trick. Pretty good if you ask me. Alright, so that ignition coil was $48 from Autobarn, so that's a pretty good fix for something to do yourself instead of taking it to a dealer and getting charged a fortune for it. So thanks for watching. I hope this helps someone out, and we'll see you next time. Ciao, ciao.